What if you stopped drinking water right now? What would happen to your body in the next 24 hours? Hour 1. Your body doesn't panic yet. You have reserves, but your cells are already starting to notice. By hour 3, your brain's alarm system kicks in. The hypothalamus screams, "Find water now!" Your blood starts thickening like syrup. Your heart works overtime, pumping harder to move this sluggish fluid. 6 hours in, your kidneys are in crisis mode, desperately trying to conserve every drop of water they can find. Your brain tissue shrinks, concentration becomes impossible. Simple tasks feel like climbing Mount Everest. 12 hours, your body's cooling system fails. No sweat means no temperature control. Your muscles begin cannibalizing themselves, breaking down protein to create the water your body desperately needs. 24 hours without water. Your body is now in full survival mode. Every system is compromised. Hallucinations begin. Your brain, starved of water, starts creating its own twisted reality. Organs begin shutting down in a terrifying cascade. First the kidneys, then the liver, then... Here's the shocking truth. You can survive weeks without food, but only 3 to 5 days without water. Your body is 60% water. Every cell, every function, every thought depends on this precious liquid. But here's the miracle. Drink water now, and your body begins healing immediately. Every sip is life returning. So grab that glass of water. Your 37 trillion cells are counting on you. Stay hydrated, stay alive.